everybody. He was always positive and always enthusiastic. And then he would take his position in one of the chairs, in one of the front rows, and there he would sit and become totally engrossed in the presentation. And I think what we will all miss, and I'm saying this with a very kind smile, is at the end of the talk, he would always confirm the date for the next lecture. Is Catherine his daughter here this evening? Not. Okay. Now, thanks go to Catherine for obviously notifying us, and also we thank Catherine very much for supporting her dad in his love for Tessa. She was very, very supportive of